Spray this fragrance in the morning for a boost of confidence and a crisp, sophisticated vibe that lasts all day. Possessing beautiful white blooms tinged with lilac, this orchid is classified as ornamental fragrant flowers, and you will have to smell to find out why. Also a medicinal orchid, it is used to heal cuts and wounds and can be taken as an oral medicine for painful swollen joints. Calming and soothing effects released from therapeutic orchids are infused in the composition, enveloping the fragrance with a gentle, lovely aroma that leaves one in a relaxed and energized manner to start the day. But beyond that, these orchids are also used as remedies in traditional medicines. Encompassing a sour and bittersweet taste, this therapeutic orchid is used in traditional Chinese medicines to strengthen the lungs, liver, and stomach. The tubers of this orchid are utilized to reduce swelling and promote regeneration of muscles and other tissues. It has even been researched as a promising avenue for the delivery of cytotoxic agents to tumors. The next orchid, while dry and bland in taste, is effective in nourishing the yin and relieving swelling. The entire plant is also used to treat coughs, rheumatism, and arthritis pain. For external use, it is pounded and applied to affected parts or wounds. Lavender, middy-atar, bergamot, and geranium are other components added to Oriental 5. Carpeting the field with a spectacular sight of vibrant color of violet, lavender is probably one of the most recognized flowers out there, with it being extensively used in both perfumery and aromatherapy. It possesses a clean, spicy floral scent, adding a sharp, invigorating element to the fragrance composition. As most people would know, lavender is also highly reputed for its potent soothing, calming, aromatic qualities that is proven to quell stress, anxiety, and induce better sleep quality, which is why it is so popularized. Middy-atar, also called the fragrance of the first rain. Just as you imagine, it is airy, light, and carries hints of green, earthy tones. A dose of this scented fresh rain aroma lifts the overall fragrance, giving it a refreshing boost. This scent leaves one feeling refreshed and calm and uplifts the mood. To finish off the composition, the remaining notes of leather and musk are added. These heavier scents are used as base notes to add a lasting warmth, richness, and depth to the fragrance. This is quite an unconventional Oriental fragrance, with distinct spicy nuances typical of an Oriental fragrance, yet with few unexpected accompaniment notes, creating a unique and mysterious charm, yet utterly captivating.